Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be taking an in-depth look at the Kubota L2501 tractor, a versatile and powerful machine that has become a favorite among farmers and agricultural enthusiasts alike. If you're looking for a reliable tractor that can handle a wide range of tasks, this could be the perfect choice for you. So, let's dive right into the features and capabilities of the Kubota L2501. First, let's talk about the engine. The Kubota L2501 is powered by a 24.8 horsepower, 3-cylinder diesel engine, which provides excellent performance for a variety of tasks, whether it's plowing, mowing, or hauling. This engine is known for its fuel efficiency, making it cost-effective for long working hours. Its compact size doesn't compromise on power, and it's perfect for small to medium-sized farms. One of the standout features of the L2501 is its exceptional maneuverability. This tractor is designed with a tight turning radius, making it easy to navigate through narrow spaces and around obstacles. Whether you're working in a field with tight corners or need to maneuver around structures, this tractor does the job with ease. The four-wheel drive capability ensures that you have better traction and stability, especially when working on rough or uneven terrain. When it comes to comfort, the Kubota L2501 doesn't disappoint. The operator station is designed to reduce fatigue, with a well-placed seat and easy-to-use controls. The ergonomic layout ensures that you can operate the tractor for extended periods without discomfort. Plus, the controls are simple and intuitive, making it ideal for both experienced operators and those new to farming equipment. The Kubota L2501 also comes with an advanced hydraulic system that enhances its performance with various attachments and implements. Whether you need to attach a plow, mower, or loader, the hydraulics system offers smooth and efficient operation, ensuring that the job is done without hassle. The tractor's lift capacity is also impressive, capable of handling heavy loads with ease, making it a valuable tool for lifting and transporting materials on the farm. As for safety, Kubota has equipped the L2501 with essential features to ensure the well-being of the operator. The tractor is designed with a rollover protection system (ROPS) that provides an added layer of safety in case of an accident. It also includes a durable structure and strong frame that enhances stability, minimizing the risk of tipping over during operation. Maintenance is another important aspect to consider, and the Kubota L2501 is designed with ease of maintenance in mind. Routine checks and servicing are simple, with easy access to the engine and other critical components. This ensures that the tractor remains in optimal condition for years to come, reducing downtime and increasing productivity. In terms of pricing, the Kubota L2501 is an affordable option for those looking for a reliable, powerful tractor without breaking the bank. It offers excellent value for money considering its performance, features, and durability. Whether you're using it for light-duty tasks or more demanding projects, the Kubota L2501 delivers on all fronts. In conclusion, the Kubota L2501 is a compact yet powerful tractor that offers a perfect balance of performance, comfort, and reliability. Whether you're a hobby farmer or a professional, this tractor can handle a wide range of tasks efficiently. If you're looking for a versatile and dependable machine, the Kubota L2501 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content on tractors, farming equipment, and more. See you in the next video.